Hey, my name is Kalam. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a video using this AI tool. And you can see here's lots of video they are using AI tool for creating those type of video. Then they are getting every single video. After watching this video, you are able to create those type of video and you will get millions views from every single video on YouTube. This link I will check my video description for easy access. When you click here, redirect this website, you need to log in here with your Gmail. Then first step are done. Now click on text to video. Then I'm using right now ChatGPT. If you don't know what is ChatGPT are AI tool and you are creating everything and anything using this a tool. It's absolutely free and private are free, so you don't need to spend any single money here. I write here for achieving personal goal. You can see this AI tool write a script for me, so I copy first step, then just paste a notepad. Okay, I copy first 4 para, Control A, then copy 4 step, then going this AI tool, then just paste here. Then I need to wait few seconds for full processing. You can see it's already working. Just click on process, then it's please wait, hold the video storyboarding for create. So I'm waiting another few seconds. Wow, it's already creating this video. So if you don't like this image, you are replacing the another image by another image. I want to add a voiceover right now. Don't just click on here, voiceover.
The only thing to do with good advice
this
is
is
to
really
pass it
good.
on. It is never of any use to oneself.
The beginning of knowledge is the discovery of something we do not understand.
Okay, voiceover are successfully set. Then click on voiceover music. I want to add this one.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
Just now click on this subtitle. If you want to add subtitle, just this turn on this setting. And I want to add just previewing video right now. Okay, this is really good. Once you have done everything, you don't need customizing anything here. And if you want to customize, here's all the setting here and here. You are able to customizing anything and everything. So once you have done, just click on download. It's already downloading right now. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.
Let's talk about you, your goals, your dreams, and the life you want to create. Somewhere deep inside, there's a vision, a fire that belongs to you alone. That fire is your potential. And today we're going to talk about how to turn that potential into reality. First, let's clear something up. Achieving your goals doesn't require perfection. It requires progress. Every step, no matter how small, takes you closer to where you want to be. Progress, not perfection, is the foundation of success. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Not what others expect of you, not what seems practical or safe, what you truly desire. Write it down, make it tangible. Your goal should be crystal clear, like a lighthouse guiding your way through a storm. The clearer the vision, the stronger your focus. Big dreams can feel overwhelming. That's okay. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. If your goal is to write a book, start with a chapter, a paragraph, or even a single sentence. If you want to get fit, start with a 10-minute walk. Bite-sized progress builds momentum, and momentum creates results.